How to follow store in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow a store. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, you can directly search for the product or the store. Here I'm tapping on one. Now you can select the product or the store. Now if you slowly scroll down, here you'll be able to see the store name. So you can even see the followers and the items that it has sold. So simply tap on the store. Now here on the top you can see this follow button. Tap on follow. So this will directly follow the store and you'll be able to update all the products that it sends to you. So this is a way how you can see all the products and even get updated about the store. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.